Ever find yourself bogged down by some of those little things in Acumatica?
Mm-hmm.
Like, when you're in a custom screen dealing with group data,
Right.
you need to select a whole bunch of records, but they're all in the same group.
Yeah.
So you kick one thinking, okay, great, now I can select the whole group.
Right.
But nope, standard Acumatica wants you to go through and check each one individually.
Yeah, that can be a pain.
It's a total time suck,
It is.
especially when you know those records are already linked.
Exactly.
Well, this is exactly the kind of problem that Premalatha, a senior software engineer at Tiana Solutions, loves to solve.
Yeah, she's great.
Premalatha has over 2 years of experience in the ERP space.
Mm-hmm.
And at Tiana Solutions, she's tackled over 250 unique scenarios.
Mm.
I mean, we're talking custom reports, generic inquiries, security setups, import-export processes.
Wow.
You name it, she's probably done it. She's also a pro with Power BI.
I bet.
And when it comes to Acumatica screen customizations, forget about it. She's done over 150 base screen customizations and 5 profile screens.
That's a lot. So what kind of situation did she tackle for this client?
Well, this client had a custom Acumatica screen. It was set up to give a full view of a specific customer, a real 360-degree view.
Okay.
They used a split-screen layout, so customer details on one side, and a grid with all the related records on the other.
Nice.
But here's the thing. Those related records were grouped. Like, they might all be part of the same project or share a common ID.
I see.
The problem was, there was no easy way to select all the records in a group.
Right, you'd have to click each one individually, like you said.
Exactly. And Premalatha realized that this was a huge inefficiency.
Yeah.
Because why should you have to manually select a bunch of rows that, by definition, belong together?
Makes sense. So what did she do?
She got creative. She developed a custom action button just for this client screen. And this button was designed to solve that whole selection headache.
A custom button.
Yeah. So let's say you're looking at a list of sales orders for a customer.
Okay.
And these sales orders are grouped by, let's say, group number. You click one of those sales orders. Now, with Premalatha's custom button, you simply click that button. The system looks at the group number of the sales order you initially selected.
Okay.
Then it goes through the entire grid and finds every other sales order with that same group number.
Nice.
Boom. All those other sales orders are automatically selected.
Wow, that's a lot faster than clicking each one.
It saves a ton of time, especially when you're dealing with large groups of records. No more tedious manual selection.
I can see how that would be really helpful.
Right. So if you're running into similar issues in your custom Acumatica screens, this is a perfect example of how customization can come to the rescue.
Yeah, it's all about making the system work for you, not the other way around.
Exactly. And if you need help figuring out how to make that happen, well, you know who to call.
Tiana Solutions, right?
That's right. They work with both Acumatica partners and end users.
Oh, that's good to know.
Their number is 678-910-2774. You can set up a time to chat about your specific business.
And they're the largest services partner with Acumatica.